lovers! Welcome back again to my channel, and for those who are new here, welcome. And I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. So today, I will be talking about orange tree or fruits. Orange fruits, as we all know, is one of the highest sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is necessary for the development and repair of all body tissues and a great aid for collagen formation, proper function of our immune system, wound healing, and likewise maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. So, join me as I'll show you my very own citrus tree from my backyard and how I made my own fresh orange juice out from the harvest.
That's really big. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Looks like a grapefruit.
Yeah.
Yesterday, so I bought a juicer today, and I tried the grapefruit. Oh my god, it's so sweet.